Ben, I need to tell you something.
Hey, what's up? You look worried.
I was supposed to send my college application yesterday, but I forgot.
Oh no. So what did you do?
I emailed them this morning. I hope it's okay. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. I'm sure they will still accept it.
I feel so bad. It was such an important deadline.
Hey, better late than never, right? At least you sent it.
True. I just hope they don't reject me.
Relax, Sophia. No big deal. They probably get late applications all the time.
Thanks. You always know how to make me feel better.
That's what friends are for. So, what program did you apply for again?
Graphic design. I really want to study art.
That's perfect for you. You love drawing.
I do. I've been sketching every night.
Then I'm sure they'll see your passion. Stop stressing, okay?
Okay. Thanks, Ben. I feel much calmer now.
Anytime. Now let's get some ice cream and celebrate sending it, even if it was late.
Haha, yes! Ice cream makes everything better.
Let's review the words.
Fingers crossed. This means you hope something good will happen. People cross their fingers for good luck. You say fingers crossed when you want things to go well. It shows you are hoping for the best. Example: I sent my job application today. Fingers crossed they call me soon. Better late than never. This means it is good to do something late instead of not doing it at all. Even if you are slow, doing it is still a good thing. People use this when someone finishes something after the time they planned. Example: you finally cleaned your room. Better late than never. No big deal. This means it is not important or it is not a problem. You say it to help someone stop worrying. It shows that something small is not worth getting upset about. Example: you spilled some water on the table? No big deal. We can clean it. Now that you know the 3 new expressions, let's listen to the dialogue again. That was English Expressions Dialogue. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on the bell for more fun English dialogues. See you next time.